All right, let's get into the nitty gritty of things. Dave, what is trading? Well, you're in luck because that's what I do professionally, and I can break that down for you. Trading isn't really what most people think it is, right? Trading thinks, oh, when the stock goes up, I make money. When the stock goes down, I lose money. And no, you've been misled, right? That's what investing is. And that's if you're investing, betting on the market going long, or then if the market goes up, you make money. And if the market goes down, you lose money. Sure. But trading is actually the buying and selling of financial institutions to make a profit. There are two types to it. There's a long position and there's a short position, right? So when you're talking about trading, right, you're pretty much saying that you want to compete with these big institutions as well. And you want to speculate because trading is not exact. It's not. Anybody who tells you they can win 100% of the time is lying to you and just scamming you. Trading is not exact. So we're playing with these big institutions that have buying and selling power, and we're also speculating alongside with them. And if we think a stock or a pair or whatever you're trading is going to go up, we will enter into a buy position to make money. If we think a stock or a pair is going to go down, we will enter into a short position to make money. So yes, in trading you can make money from a stock or a pair going up and down, right? So there are different types of instruments that you can trade, and each instrument are in different categories. So the main ones, there's Forex, stocks, futures. Then it gets a little bit more complicated with like, what's the word? Options for stocks, and there are different pairs in Forex. Forex is the exchange rate between currencies. You can trade that. The Euro USD, that's the Euro pound versus the dollar USD. GBP JPY, GBP USD. We're literally trading the currencies, right? And then stocks, you have Apple, Amazon, Microsoft, Tesla. You can trade these companies and these stocks. And then you have futures, the bread and butter, right? With futures, you can trade futures contracts like ES and NQ. Those are still indices. Or you can trade futures contracts for commodities like silver and gold. Gold is the bread and butter. That's pretty much what I'll primarily be teaching you how to trade is gold, and I trade gold futures. So, I already went over how you can make money, and in all of these, it's the same thing. That's for Forex, futures, whatever it is that you're trading. It's the exact same thing, right? You can make money from buying or selling. If the market goes up and you enter into a buy, you make money. If the market's going down and you're in the sell position, you make money. Buy, sell, short, long, or long, short, they're all the same thing. How I like to trade is that I specialize with one instrument, one session, one pair. One. The key word is one. You're going to hear it a lot in this course. The key word here is one. Now that I've gotten that out of the way, I'll be seeing you boys in the next video. Peace.